What's up you guys, welcome to Blaze Tech, Mr. Brandon, and in today's video we're going to be going over how you can actually have a mark on my head. Interesting. Today we're going to be going over how you can transfer all your items from your Android to your iPhone, and we're going to hop into it now because I need to do it now because I got to get going and I got to get used to my iPhone. Other than that, leave a like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell, and please ignore this. I was leaning on my desk. So as you can see, we've got both the iPhone and we've got the Samsung. So what you want to do first is you want to come here on your Android and you want to navigate to the Play Store, which is here. And you want to type in iPhone or iOS. So move to iOS. So once you've done that, just say install. Then it will install. Say open. Say continue. And you can just agree to that. Allow. And that is good. Now what you want to do is you want to come to your iPhone. And this has to be fully reset. So if you don't know how to reset it, there'll be a video coming up. But if you're starting out, just swipe up, say your language, English, Australian, and what you want to do is you want to say set up manually, connect to your internet, and after you've connected to your internet, just give it a moment. You want to say continue, set up later, create a postcode. After your postcode is set up, what you want to do is you want to say move data from Android and say continue. Then over here, you will copy this code, come to here and say next. Then you will type in the code from here. So for me, that's 5559227. Connecting to your iPhone. And as you can see here, it's just preparing because it's connected. And as you can see, that's preparing, and so is this one. So after that, you want to say you want to remove all this stuff, and so you want to say next, and that progress bar should start, and that should start here too. So this is pretty much after I got home and showered and stuff. But pretty much what you do, it would say your transfer is done. I accidentally skipped ahead because my brain is just tired. You would say done, and then it'd say message like something's gonna be transferred, like your media messages or picture messages within your apps can't be transferred, but that can all be fixed by doing that manually or yourself. But yeah, sorry the lighting's really poor here, but everything then should be on your phone, and we'll jump to my phone and show you what I mean. So my phone's just on my lap now, so this is all done. So if we just swipe up, put in password, then all your items will be put into their place. After they've transferred, then I'll show you what happens next. Yeah, so after that is done, I've swapped to my phone because I can currently use my phone now. So you'd say continue setting up iPhone, and you put in all your information. Right, so after you've entered all your information, you just want to tap on agree, and it'll do the whole setting up process again. Now, if you did have an old password, just enter in the old password, but for security reasons, I won't show you. And once that's done, it'll just say it'll take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID once again, and that is done. So keep iPhone up to date, yes. Sure, I don't really care. Apple Pay, I don't care about, so I can set up later. Siri, I can set up later. Screen time, I would like on. Analytics, I will not. True Tone, I want on. I want dark mode. And we are pretty much good to go. Now, you will come up with add Android device apps, and enter for Google, and just enter in this information and you should get your apps back. I'll do this when I come back. Since now I've entered in all my Gmail information, I now have all my apps going for me, and yeah, that's that. All my apps are here, still fine, and yeah, that's how you pretty much transfer everything. Just transfer it, log into your Gmail, and the apps will download that for you, and you'll pretty much be good. So if you enjoyed this, please leave a like, also subscribe, tap that notification bell, and be prepared for other videos in the future. And my hair's a mess because I had a shower. But see you guys in the next one. This is Brandon. I'm out.